In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add others' emails in Mailerlite on Campaign. To get started, log into your Mailerlite account and head to the dashboard. From there, go to the Campaigns section. This is where you can manage existing email campaigns or start a brand new one. Once you're in Campaigns, either create a new campaign or open a campaign draft that you've already started working on. Before choosing who will receive the email, make sure your email design is complete. That way, you can review the full campaign with the correct audience in mind and avoid making changes later. After your email content is ready, move to the campaign details page. On this page, look for the recipients section. This is where you control exactly who will receive the campaign. Click Select Recipients to open the recipient selection window. Inside this area, stay under the Basic tab. Here, you'll see the available groups in your Mailerlite account. Find the group that contains the additional subscribers you want to include in this campaign. If you need to send the campaign to more than one set of contacts, Mailerlite allows you to select one or more groups, and you can also use segments if needed. Next, check the box beside the group you want to include. As soon as you do that, Mailerlite will automatically update the recipient count. This is helpful because it lets you confirm right away how many subscribers are being added to the campaign before you continue. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct audience, especially if you manage multiple lists or customer types. Once everything looks correct, click Select to confirm your recipient choices. After that, continue to the review page. This is your final checkpoint before the campaign goes out, so it's a good idea to quickly review the subject line, sender details, content layout, and recipient settings to make sure everything is accurate. Before sending the campaign, send yourself a test email. This gives you a chance to see how the message looks in an inbox, check for formatting issues, and confirm that links and images are working properly. It's a simple step, but it can help prevent mistakes and improve the final experience for your subscribers. And that's how to add additional email recipients to a campaign in Mailerlite by selecting the right group on the campaign details page.